Welcome to this tutorial on creating a glass morphism effect in Canva. Let's begin by going to the Elements tab and selecting a photo to work with. Search for frame and choose a suitable one to drag and drop onto the canvas. Adjust the corner rounding of the frame to your liking. Next, search for shapes and select the corresponding shape to drag and drop onto the canvas. Adjust the corner rounding of the shape to match the frame. Resize the shape slightly larger than the frame and send it backward to form a border. Drag the image into the frame. Click Edit. Add some blur to the image. Adjust the size and position to match the original image. Finally, click on the border and adjust the opacity. That's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.